So in graphing a linear equation in two variables, we have three ways in graphing linear equations in two variables. First is by using the table of values or kapag given yung 2 points natin. So meron na po tayong uploaded video doon. Pwede nyo pong panoorin yung mga previous video. And then the second one is the intercept method. This is where we are using the x and y intercepts in graphing the equation. So meron na rin po tayong video tutorial about dito. And the last one is using slope-intercept form. So for in today's video, we will focus on the slope-intercept form. So what is the slope-intercept form? So ito po yung slope-intercept form natin. We have y equals mx plus b. So tatandaan na kapag sinabi nating slope-intercept form, this is written in the form of y equals mx plus b. Bakit? Your m here is your slope. So m represents your slope, which is your rise over run. And then your b is your y-intercept. Ayun po. So it is represented as 0, b. So it is represented as the ordered pair of 0, b. Okay, so tatandaan po natin that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So kaya siya tinawag na slope-intercept kasi we have the slope, given ng slope dyan, and yung ating y-intercept. So dapat alam natin yung m, which is your slope, so that is your rise over run. We will be moving up and then right or left. So kailangan alam natin ito para mamaya sa ating graph. Okay, let's have an example. How are we going to graph a linear equation given a slope and intercept form? So, in using slope-intercept form, dapat given ng slope at intercept. Okay? So, since slope-intercept ang focus natin dito and we will be using slope-intercept form, so dapat given yung slope, yung m, at yung intercept, which is your b. Okay? So, let's have an example. Your m should be, paano natin siya i-graph? Your m is your rise over run. So, kapag nag-graph tayo mamaya, yung m natin, para ma-plot natin yung ating slope, we will be using the rise over run. And then yung b natin, which is your y-intercept, that is 0, b. So, this is how we plot your b, your y-intercept. So, gagawin natin siyang ordered pair na 0, b. Your b is your y coordinate since this is your y-intercept. Okay? So, dito natin siya ilalagay. So, gagawin natin siyang ordered pair para ma-plot natin siya. Now, in graphing linear equation given the slope in the intercept or using the slope-intercept form, ano ba ang una nating ipa-plot? Is it the slope or the y-intercept? Yes, it's the y-intercept kasi dun tayo magsisimula. So, kapag nag-graph tayo ng linear equation given ang slope at y-intercept or kapag naka-form siya ng y equals mx plus b, so ang una nating ipa-plot ay yung ating y-intercept followed by your slope. Okay, let's have an example. I have here line A. So, meron akong line A. So, meron akong y-intercept and slope. So, kapag nagpa-plot tayo using slope-intercept form, dapat, of course, given yung ating slope at yung y-intercept. Okay? So, since wala tayong equation dito, so ito, given na yung dalawa, binigay na kagad, so mas madali siya. Hindi na natin kailangan i-identify yung slope niya at yung y-intercept. But if the equation is given, you still have to identify the slope and the y-intercept. So, mamaya magbibigay ako ng example doon. So, this time, in this example, so given na yung ating slope at y-intercept. So, ano nga yung sabi ko? Una nating ipa-plot yung ating y-intercept. So, that is 0, 4. So, i-plot natin si 0, 4. Ayun siya. Ito po si 0, 4. Now, after plotting your y-intercept, ano pong gagawin? Dito na tayo sa slope. So again, this is your rise, this is your run. So since 2 ang ating rise, we will be moving up. 1, 2. Okay? Nag-move tayo twice. Okay? We moved up twice. So dalawang beses. And then yung ating run. Okay, yung run natin ay 3. Now, the question is, saan tayo pupunta pag nag-run tayo? Is it going to the right or going to the left? Are we moving to the right or to the left? Okay, so tingnan mo yung sign ng slope mo. Since this is positive, ibig sabihin we will be moving to the right. Okay, yun ang tatandaan. Kapag ang slope natin positive, move to the right. If it's negative, move to the left. Okay? So, our rise is 2. Ito na siya. Now, since ang slope natin ay positive, we will be moving to the right. How many times? 3. So, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So, dito ang point natin. And this is 3, 6. Okay? So, we now have 2 points. Pwede na natin siya i-graph. And this is your line. Okay, what is the name of the line? Line A. So, you will be writing here A. Okay? Let's have another example. Dito na rin natin i-graph. Okay? So, I have here line B. So, you have your y-intercept and your slope. So, ito gagawin natin siyang 0, negative 5. So, let us plot 0, negative 5. So, ito yon. It must be here. So, ayun siya. Okay? Write the ordered pair. And then, after plotting your y-intercept, mag-move tayo using the slope. So, yung rise niya is 4, ang run niya is 5. Now, take note, the slope is negative. So, you have to move to the left. Okay? Papunta tayo sa left nito. So, your rise is 4. So, let us count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, we have 4. So, yung rise natin ay 4. Now, since negative ang slope natin, so we will move to the left. Okay, bilang tayo ng 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito ang point natin. And this is negative 5, negative 1. Okay. So, ulitin ko. 4 tayo, yung rise natin, and then yung run natin ay 5. Now, bakit ako nag-turn left? Kasi ang slope natin ay negative. So, yun lagi ang tatandaan. Kapag slope natin ay negative, turn left. Move to the left. Kapag positive, turn right. Okay? So, let us graph. So, this is the graph of the slope, the graph of the line given the slope and y-intercept. So, huwag kakalimutan, since given yung name ng line, maglagay tayo ng name ng line. So, this is your line B. So, the graph of line B is this. Okay? Now, kung titingnan nyo, if you have noticed na ang graph natin from left to right, it rises or increases. So, ibig sabihin, pataas siya. So, yun pa ang isa sa mga palatandaan para ma-check mo kung tama ang graph mo. Kapag pataas ang graph ng line mo, ibig sabihin yung slope mo positive. Kapag pababa, so lagi tayong from left to right titingin. Kapag pababa naman ang graph ng line mo, ibig sabihin your slope is negative. And that's it. Okay? Another. So, given ulit yung slope at yung intercept. So, I have here line C. So, yung slope natin ay yung y-intercept, gagawin natin siyang 0, 2. So, let us plot first yung 0, 2. Lagi po nating unang ipa-plot ang ating y-intercept. So, 0, 2. And then, gawin natin itong slope. So, rise over run palagi. So, rise is 5. So, let us count 1. Okay, this is your ordered pair. So, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your rise. Now, ang run natin ay 2. Saan tayo pupunta? Right o left? Very good. We're moving to the right. Why? Because our slope is positive. So, papunta tayo sa right. 1, 2. So, dito ang point natin. Okay? So, we will now graph. We can now graph that slope and the y-intercept. So, this is your 2, 7. So, this is your point 2, 7. So, this is the graph of line C. Okay. Now, as you can see, the line or the graph of the line increases. Pataas siya from left to right. Ibig sabihin, your slope is positive. Okay. So, that is positive. Another example, I have here line D. So, our y-intercept is 0, negative 7. Let us plot 0, negative 7. Ito po. Ayan, do not forget to write the ordered pair ha when we are plotting points. And then next, so what is our rise? 2. So we will be moving twice. So, 1, 2. Ayun po. Nag-move tayo twice. Now, tingnan natin yung run. Your run is 7. Are we going to the left or to the right? Okay, to the left. Why? Because your slope is negative. So, we will be moving to the left. So, papunta tayo sa left. So, count tayo ng 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you go. Okay. So, nandito yung point natin. And this is what point. Anong ordered pair nito? So, tingin sa x, negative 7. Tingin sa y-axis, negative 5. So, negative 7, negative 5. Okay. So, these are your 2 points. So, ano pong gagawin na natin? Pwede na natin siya i-graph. And that's it. Okay? So, again, kung titingnan natin yung line, it decreases. Pababa. Okay, so yan ang palatandaan since pababa ang graph natin, ibig sabihin our slope is negative. Tatandaan yan. That is pwede nyo yun magamit para ma-check kung tama ang graph, kung tama ang slope ninyo. So, pwede nyo yun ma-check yung idea or yung kung anong itsura ng graph mo. So, pwede mo yun magamit. Pag marunong ka mag-describe ng graph ng line, ma-check mo kung tama ang sagot mo. Okay. So, this is your line D. Another example. So, given the slope-intercept form, so as you can see, hindi given ang slope at hindi given ang y-intercept. Ano ang binigay? Equation. Okay? So, ang binigay sa atin ngayon ay equation in the form of slope-intercept form. Okay. So, kapag naka-slope-intercept form ang ating equation, madali lang naman ma-identify ang slope at intercept. Ano lang titingnan natin? Tingnan mo yung M, tingnan mo yung B. Okay? So, kapag equation ang binigay at hindi kagaya dun sa mga previous slides natin o examples na binigay na kagad yung slope at y-intercept, paano kapag equation ang binigay sa inyo? So, ito po ang gagawin. I-rewrite nyo siya, dapat naka-slope-intercept form. Pag sinabing slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So, yung m mo, yun yung slope, yung b, yun yung y-intercept. So, since naka-arrange naman siya, naka-rewrite na siya as slope-intercept form, makukuha na natin, ma-identify natin ang m, which is negative 3. And negative 3 is equivalent to negative 3 over 1. Now, bakit ko siya ginawang ganito, negative 3 over 1? Para makita natin yung rise and run. Okay? And then your y-intercept is 4. So, that is 0, 4. Okay, let us now plot 0, 4. Ayun, so this is your 0, 4. Now, so rise natin, we have 3. So, we will be moving 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ayun na po. Now, our run is 1. Are we moving to the left or to the right? To the left. Very good. Bakit? Kasi our slope is negative. So, we will be moving to the left once. Okay, isang beses lang. So, this is your point. And this is what ordered pair. This is negative 1, 7. Okay, now we can now graph. Ayan po. So, this is the graph of y equals negative 3x plus 4. Another example. So, I have here y equals 4/3 x minus 6. Okay. So, since nakaayos na siya into slope-intercept form, madali nating makikita ang m at ang b. So, our m is 4/3. This is your rise. This is your run. Your y-intercept or yung b mo is negative 6. Bakit negative 6? Kasi ayan po, minus siya, diba? Okay, so negative 6. So therefore, that is 0, negative 6. Bakit natin siya ginagawang ganito? Para ma-plot natin. Okay? So we will plot 0, negative 6. So this is your 0, negative 6. And then since our rise is 4, so move tayo 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa run. Ang run natin ay 3. Is it going to the right or going to the left? Yes, it's going to the right. Move to the right 3 times. Bakit? Kasi your slope is positive. Okay? So, since ang slope natin ay positive, pa-right tayo. So, 1, 2, 3. And this is your point. So, this is what ordered pair. This is 3, negative 2. So, we can now graph the slope-intercept form of the given equation. Okay. Next. So, graph the line given an equation 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Okay, so meron na tayong equation na 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Now, ang goal natin dito is to identify the m, your slope, and your b, which is your y-intercept. Okay, now meron tayong 3y equals negative 2x plus 6, but yung y natin, meron pa siyang coefficient na 3, dapat 1 lang. So, ibig sabihin, we still need to simplify this equation. Okay, so hindi pwedeng ganito na kapag binigyan kayo nito at naka y equals mx plus b siya, hindi pwedeng, ma'am, the slope is negative 2. The y-intercept is positive 6. No, hindi pa po yun. Bakit? Kasi meron pa tayong 3 dito. So, we still need to simplify. So, we will have 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. So, isimplify muna natin. So, para makancel ito, divide natin both sides by 3. So, makakancel na ngayon si 3. And then, we will have y na lang. And then, negative 2/3 x. Okay, since hindi naman yan masisimplify na, so negative 2/3 x na siya. And then 6 divided by 3, that is positive 2. Again, 6 divided by 3, that is positive 2. So we can now identify the slope and the y-intercept. What is your slope? Yes, it's negative 2/3. What is your y-intercept? Okay, your y-intercept is 2. So therefore, we will plot the point 0, 2. Okay? So let us plot. Where is your 0, 2? Ito po. Okay. Now, since our rise is 2, so move tayo dalawang beses. 1, 2. Saan tayo pupunta? Left or right? Saan ang run natin? Right o left? Tingnan ng slope. Your slope is negative. So, since ang slope natin ay negative, saan tayo pupunta? Turn left po tayo. Okay? So, tatlong beses. 1, 2, 3. And this is your point. So, what is this point? This is point negative 3, 4. Okay. Now, we can now graph the points. Connect the points. And this is your graph of y. 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. So, this is the graph of 3y equals negative 2x plus 6. Ulitin ko ha. Hindi po natin pwedeng basta kunin ng this is your slope and this is your y-intercept. You still need to simplify. Okay, next. Graph the line given an equation 8x minus 4y equals negative 10. So this time, hindi pa siya nakasulat as, naka-rewrite as y equals mx plus b o slope-intercept form. So hindi pa siya naka-slope-intercept form. Naka-ano siya? Anong ayos nito? Naka-standard form po. Kapag ax plus by equals c, standard form po yan. So, y equals mx plus b, dapat magawa natin siyang ganito, slope-intercept form. So, paano gagawin? Kailangan ma-eliminate natin itong 8x para maging y ang matitira dito sa left side. Okay? So, paano natin ma-eliminate? Using APE or addition property of equality. So, para matanggal natin to, since positive to, mag-a-add tayo ng additive inverse niya, which is negative 8x. So, para ma-cancel natin ito, kung positive to, ang i-add natin ay yung additive inverse. So, pag sinabing additive inverse, yung opposite sign. So, positive, negative. Now, since addition property of equality, equality. So, ibig sabihin, kung ano yung inad mo dito, ganun din sa kabila. So, mag-a-add rin tayo ng negative 8x sa kabila. Okay? So, we can now cancel negative 8x and positive 8x. So, what's left is negative 4y. Now, ito ay negative 10 plus negative 8x. So, in-arrange ko na siya. Okay? Ginawa ko na siyang negative 8x minus 10. Okay po. Ma'am, bakit po negative 8x? This is plus. Because positive times negative, negative pa rin siya. So, negative 8x, ito siya, minus 10. So, as you can see, naka-arrange na siya ng y equals mx plus b. But, meron pa tayong coefficient dito. So, kailangan makancel natin to. So, we will divide both sides by negative 4. So, makakancel natin ngayon si negative 4. And then, let's simplify. We will have y is equal to negative 8 divided by negative 4. That is positive 2. Bakit positive? Kasi same sign sila. So, negative 8 divided by negative 4, that is positive 2x. And then, negative 10 divided by negative 4. So, same sign ulit, magiging positive 10 over 4 siya. Ulitin ko, same sign sila, so magiging positive 10 over 4. Now, so what is your slope? Your slope is 2, and your y-intercept, it's not 10 over 4. Since pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify, pwede pa to, pwede nating i-divide by 2. So, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. And 4 divided by 2, it's 2. So, therefore, our slope, our y-intercept is 5 over 2. Okay? So, makukuha na natin si slope, which is 2. And then, your y-intercept is 5 over 2 kasi pwede pa to i-lowest term. So, igagraph natin ngayon, ipa-plot natin ngayon si 0, 5 over 2. Now, ang tanong, paano natin igagraph, ipa-plot ang fraction? Okay, so 5 over 2 is actually 2 and 1 half. Tama? So, 2 and 1 half is equivalent to 2.5. Okay, so kung i-check nyo siya sa calculator, 5 over 2 is equal to 2 and 1 half, and 2 and 1 half is 2.5. So, ibig sabihin, 0, 2.5, dalawat kalahati. Ibig sabihin, dito siya, kalahati. Ayun. Okay, now from here, so ibig sabihin, our rise, since 2 to, this is your rise, ang run mo ay 1. 2 over 1. So, this is your rise, ang run mo ay 1. So, ang rise natin ay 2. So, move tayo ng dalawang beses. Isa. So, 3.5. Isang move pa, 4.5 siya. So, natapos siya dito ha. Dito lang tayo sa kalahati kasi nasa 2.5 tayo. So, move tayo ng dalawang beses. So, from 2.5, 3.5, and then 4.5. So, ito siya. Okay? So, from here, sa 4.5, ang run natin ay 1. So, move lang tayo ng isa. Okay, so this is your point. Okay, so kalahati lang po yan ha. So, anong point ito? Sige nga, this is 1 and 9 over 2. So, 1, 9 over 2. Bakit 9 over 2? 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. 4 and 1 half. Okay, so since hindi naman siya umabot sa 5, so 4, 4 at kalahati. So, 4.5, 4 and 1 half. So, ang ordered pair na to ay 1, 9 over 2. Okay, so sana naiintindihan kung paano tayo magpa-plot ng fraction. Okay, so we can now graph the points, connect the points. So this is the graph of 8x minus 4y equals negative 10. Again, this is the graph of 8x minus 4y equals negative 10. So i-check natin yung graph. Increases siya, di ba? Rises siya from left to right. So, therefore, your slope is positive. Okay, that's all.